Okay, last night was a bit too much, so I'm just gonna call him up and ask him where he is.
Hey dude, what's up?
Hey Samir, where are you, man?
I'm gonna be there in like 5 seconds, don't worry man.
Whoa! That's the power of Skyrats. Pretty sure a lot of people have this question for you.
Okay.
What's fame like?
Spain. Oh, come on. Like,
But
I'm just there, but I'm not there yet.
but I think you are there.
Nah.
All right, let's do this. Get a takeaway. So, what does a cosplay champion have as a beverage?
Cold coffee.
Oh, it's a cold coffee.
If you'd ask me what was the first idea I ever had to cosplay, that would be Shaktiman.
Oh, see, this is why he not only won the Indian cosplay championship, he won 1 million hearts as well.
Oh.